In the wilderness, the lone wolf stands apart, a symbol of resilience and independence. It's not because it's weak or afraid of the pack, but because it's strong enough to walk its own path, to carve its own destiny. The lone wolf embodies the spirit of self-reliance and determination, moving forward with unwavering confidence. And in your workout, that's exactly who you are, the lone wolf, forging your own path to greatness. While others may rely on a crowd to push them, to motivate them, to keep them going, you find power within yourself, a power that is unshakable and deeply rooted. You show up day after day without needing applause, recognition, or anyone to push you. You are driven by an inner fire, a relentless pursuit of excellence. Your drive comes from a deeper place, a hunger to be better than you were yesterday, to surpass your own limits. There's no competition here, no one to compare yourself to. Your only rival is you, the person staring back in the mirror. Every rep, every drop of sweat, every beat of your heart pushes you to become stronger, faster, better. Each moment of effort is a step towards your ultimate goal. You don't need a pack to validate your progress because you know that greatness is forged in solitude. When it's tough, when the weight feels too heavy, when you feel like quitting, remember this: the lone wolf doesn't stop. It keeps moving forward no matter the obstacles. The lone wolf doesn't back down. It stands firm, howling its determination to the world. The lone wolf becomes the leader of its destiny, guiding itself through the wilderness with strength and courage. Because it knows that the journey isn't just about the body, it's about the mind, the spirit, and the will to rise above. It's about conquering your inner battles and emerging victorious. So today, embrace the grind, embrace the struggle and the pain, for they are the stepping stones to your success. Push through the pain, let it fuel your determination and drive you to new heights. And know that as a lone wolf, you are unstoppable. Your strength, your resilience, and your unwavering spirit make you a force to be reckoned with. The strength you build in the shadows will shine brighter than anything the crowd could ever offer. It is a strength that comes from within, a strength that is undeniable. Keep going, keep fighting, because the lone wolf wins by never giving up. It wins by persevering, by pushing through every challenge. Now, unleash your inner beast and conquer your workout. Let your determination and strength guide you to victory. Stay strong and own your journey. Embrace the power of the lone wolf within you and let it lead you to greatness.